the latest inputs now following the electoral setbacks in Haryana and Maharashtra. The Congress party is also deliberating on the action plan to be readied for the year 2025. And two resolutions addressing the key national challenges under the BJP rule are also expected to be adopted. Well, now joining me live on the broadcast on in fact the same is America V. Narayan from the Congress. Sir, appreciate you joining me live and a very good morning. At this point of time, there are fresh allegations coming from the BJP and specifically categorically looking at the map that has been put up ahead of the crucial meeting of the CWC in Belagavi, saying that the map that's shown is a reflection of the Congress's stand on Jammu and Kashmir's abrogation, only trying to put it forward that the nation is divided into two parts. How do you respond?
First thing is, I have not seen a map. I don't know what has happened. In all probability, this is a concocted map of BJP trying to sideline the issue of BJP's failure in terms of GST, where they are, the nation is laughing at them on how they are doing the GST, how there is a significant unemployment in spite of the growth, and where Ambedkar issue, where Amit Shah has said so many things, it's a diversion of BJP, so we just need to ignore it. Congress is very clear. They are the only party and throughout India. They need to realize and move on that strength, but they also need to discuss and do a soul searching on how to move forward. I think they will be doing that, but this need not be even responded. This is they have concocted a lot of false allegations which has proven to be untrue. So,
sir, as you're saying, you have not seen the map, but at the same time, it's everywhere in the city. It is there in the decorations that have come forward, and the picture has also been shared widely on social media.
One, I can tell you that you can making a mole out of a mountain. There may be some local guy who prints a map, may have done it. I'm not saying I haven't seen it, that's for the truth. But if it is, they will fix it. We all know that Congress very clearly has in the past and continues to be thing. But this kind of things have happened in every party. There are people who are in the bottom of the pyramid, don't understand.
So this is a mistake, is what the impression that the Congress...
If it has happened, it's a mistake. That's all to it. They'll correct it. There's no reason to even talk about it on a national TV.
There is no deliberate attempt in showing the map as such, you are saying.
I think it's a mistake if it has happened, and it will be corrected. The whole issue is BJP is to divert the whole thing, and they continue to do that, and they tell lies, and they have a problem with GST, Ambedkar issue, and the way the growth is slowing down, and all these various issues of BJP government is facing, where they are dividing the nation in terms of religion, the whole thing.
So, all right.
They are just diversion on this minor issue.
This is just a diversion as you are putting it out, but at the same time, when I have to talk about the CWC plenary in Belagavi, what is in fact that the Congress is now putting it forward by also including the Ambedkar issue very particularly in this, giving it a message that how crucial it is also for the party to take up the national challenges under the BJP rule. All right, viewers, now in fact, let's also listen into what BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla had said, alleging on the map in the posters that's been seen in Belagavi ahead of the CWC meeting.
कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है भारत जोड़ो, पर दरअसल इनकी नीयत केवल और केवल भारत तोड़ो की है। और आज जिस प्रकार से उनके बेलगावी के प्रोग्राम में भारत का एक डिस्टॉर्टेड मैप दिखाया गया है, जिसमें कि भारत के जम्मू कश्मीर को पाकिस्तान में दिखाया गया है, जिसमें कि भारत के जम्मू कश्मीर को अक्साई चीन को चाइना में दिखाया गया है। ये दिखाता है कि कांग्रेस की मानसिकता हमेशा भारत के टुकड़े करने की है। इसीलिए जम्मू कश्मीर से जब 370 हटाकर एक भारत, एक देश, एक विधान, एक संविधान एक निशान की बात की गई तो कांग्रेस ने 370 हटाए जाने का विरोध किया। सोनिया गांधी उस संस्था की को प्रेसिडेंट थी जिसे सोरोस ने फंड किया था, जो चाहता था कश्मीर को भारत से अलग कर दिया जाए। कांग्रेस ने बार बार जम्मू कश्मीर को पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा और चाइना का हिस्सा बताने का कुत्सित प्रयास किया है अपने अलग अलग वेबसाइट्स और लिटरेचर में। ये कोई पहली बार ऐसा नहीं है। आपको याद होगा कई ऐसे कांग्रेस के नेताओं ने इस प्रकार की बातें भी की है। दरअसल कांग्रेस का एजेंडा हमेशा भारत तोड़ो रहा है। वो एक संविधान की बात तो करते हैं, पर वो चाहते नहीं है कि जम्मू कश्मीर में भारत का संविधान भी लागू हो, इसलिए 370 हटाए जाने का विरोध किया। और वो बार बार पाकिस्तान के सुर से सुर मिलाते हैं, चाहे वो जम्मू कश्मीर पर हो, 370 पर हो। इलान ओमर जिसने कहा था कि जम्मू कश्मीर को पाकिस्तान को दे दिया जाना चाहिए, उसके साथ राहुल गांधी नजर आए। आज ये जो किया गया है कांग्रेस के द्वारा, ये सहयोग नहीं, ये सोचा समझा प्रयोग है। भारत के टुकड़े टुकड़े करना यही इनकी मानसिकता है, कभी धर्म के आधार पर, कभी जाति के आधार पर, कभी भाषा के आधार पर, और अब जम्मू कश्मीर को ही भारत से हटा देना और पाकिस्तान को सौंप देना और पाकिस्तान के सुर से सुर मिलाना, यही कांग्रेस का एजेंडा है। ये संविधान की भी नहीं मानते, ये भारत जोड़ो नहीं, ये भारत तोड़ो की बात करते हैं।
All right, my colleague Anand Singh has also spoken to former Karnataka Minister R.V. Deshpande on the preparations and the importance of the CWC meeting in Belagavi. Let's now listen in.
Belgavi holds a very significant place in Congress history, as this was the only place where Mahatma Gandhi, during the 39th session, he presided over the meeting as Congress president. Now we come to 2024, the Congress has planned the 100-year commemoration of the same. So could you tell us, sir, about the history of this place where the meeting is now taking place?
See, this is a very pious place. Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi ji presided the only one session that was in Belgaum. And that was here, this pious place. Today you may see the exhibition of photographs of Mahatma Gandhi ji, which are displayed, which gives the history of this place. There is a well here, popularly known as Congress Well. Today we have named it as Pampas Forever. It is very popular known as Congress Well. I have been in Belgaum from my childhood. So I am not from this place, I am from Halial. Except that I was not born here. My entire education was here from school days to my graduation days. So I know from my childhood I come here. And this is a very pious place. Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi ji used to sit near the well. It's not a very big place. And preach the people, advise the people, and try to create not only the confidence, the fight against the Britishers for getting the Swatantra, liberation. Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, only sacrificed his life. And we have to go through the pages of the history. You will find he was a very pious person, very simple person, and only died, sacrificed himself for the independence of the country. Today, if we are independent, if we are enjoying liberty, equality, fraternity, democracy in the country, the major credit goes to Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi ji. Likewise, Subhash Chandra Bose is there. There are many other leaders, but we can't. The history, at no cost, can forget Mahatma Gandhi.
Sir, you mentioned about the history of this place. This place, also known as Veer Sauda, and like Mahatma Gandhi, during his address in this session, he mentioned about untouchability, Swaraj. Then he also mentioned about Satyagrah, and he also talked about communal harmony. So, what do you think that how this session will help Congress to find its roots in among the people? Because in 1924 we saw that how farmers came forward after this session of Mahatma Gandhi that he chaired over here.
All his thoughts, liberty, equality, fraternity, untouchability, are very relevant today.
All right. Meanwhile, some more political reactions are also coming in on this very issue. Let's listen in.
अब ये हिस्टोरिकल तो है, आपने यहाँ हिस्ट्री बनाई 100 साल पहले, तो जो 100 साल पहले की यहाँ की हिस्ट्री है, जो यहाँ का इतिहास बना था, उसी को लेकर आज हम चलेंगे कि हमें नई प्रेरणा की आवश्यकता है। इस देश को एक दफा फिर किस तरह से पूरे राष्ट्र को, पूरे देश को सही राह पर ले जाना है और अपने संविधान के लिए हमको संघर्ष करना है।
Centenary celebration of Mahatma Gandhi ji, presided by Mahatma Gandhi ji as a president AICC. So after a century, it is a proud moment for all of us, and we are going to celebrate this with his ethics, with his messages, and upcoming future. The people and the children of this country should know about Satyagraha and Ahimsa. That is the only motto. Gandhi Bharata.
So it's a very, very proud feeling for all of us from Mahila Congress. Party workers, cadre, Mahila Congress office bearers have come from across the state. And because we're 50% of the population, I'm very proud to say that a party like my party, Congress Party, has always prioritized women. We are the ones who gave, women's reservation at Gram Panchayat local bodies. And we have also said, Sonia Gandhi ma'am, when she was a president, she said that we will give 33% reservation. It was actually a vision of, Shri Rajiv Gandhi sir. And also, the first and only woman Prime Minister has actually been from Congress Party, that is Srimati.
Centenary is special. I think in Karnataka, the Congress Party is doing a very good job in the government. But this working committee meeting, I think, will set the pace and the agenda for the next few months and years. And to my mind, this working committee will be historic in many ways. This is a historic occasion, a historic place, and we are all very proud to be here. The leadership will decide on the path ahead, and I think we'll go back from here giving a lot of strength and encouragement to the Congress workers across the country.
Sir, will this boost Congress position?
Absolutely, absolutely. We will take on the challenges. The Congress workers are fighting together. The India Alliance is very strong, and the Congress leadership will give the directions on how to move forward and take on the political opponents and win comprehensively.
Event has a very big history of this country. Congress history is country's history. Congress has kept this country united. Whenever Congress is in power or not in power, it takes care of every section of the society. 100 years back on this day at 3 p.m., Mahatma Gandhi ji was being elected as the Congress president. On the same time, the Congress Extended Working Committee is going to start.